I'm a fat faggot and I like Trump a little bit.
Like, I don't know what's going on. Oh.
No shit in his mouth.
Did you smoke that guy?
Okay. I absolutely did.
Fucked me up. Is he on the train tracks?
Are you not dead, bro? The fuck?
MP9? What the fuck was that?
What the fuck?
I'm dead. I choked so hard. God, if it wasn't so fucking dark, man.
Oh boy.
Oh. You hear that?
Yeah, I just saw the bolt.
Was that at you?
I don't know.
Oh, we're getting pushed. Oh,
I killed one. I killed one on the stairs.
Nice.
I'm in first floor right now.
Hey, hear anything?
No, not yet. Hello?
Jesus. Construction? If you come out, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna do it.
Oh.
That fucking scav, really? She fucking ran us down.
Since when is there water here? Is that new, bro? Am I fucking retarded? Oh, is this not water? Oh, dude, it looks like a fucking, like, little pond, bro.
Yeah, let's go swimming, bud.
Dude.
Oh. Yo, we're getting lit up from somewhere else.
Yeah, I know.
I'm kind of pinned down at this rock, Max.
Yeah, same. See who the fuck I am, dude? I'm in a terrible spot and I have no idea where this guy is.
Oh, you just popped me. Oh, there's multiple. I'm chucking nades.
Oh, I hear him. I don't see him now.
I'm in a lot of trouble.
Are you not dead, bro? Holy fuck. I got one of.
Alright, I got down over here. What are you? Why are you shooting me,
I'm not
bro?
shooting at you. It's another person.
Oh my god, I could have smoked that dude. I thought it was you, bro.
No, dude.
Oh man.
Well, I killed that retard.
I would have shit on this dude. Oh my god, bro.
Yo, why you want the smoke, bro? Come on, man. This isn't very nice. I'm getting pinned here. Oh my god, dude.
Is that our hatchet friend running around?
No, it's a gamer. He sounds heavy too, bro. It's like running towards skeleton. He's dead.
Nice.
and I die. Bro, he hasn't made a noise.
Yeah, he's just sitting up there.
What kind of rat spot is that? Dude, they're evolving. He's dead.
Good. Fuck him. Pussy. Pussy fuck.
You wouldn't believe the shot. Oh, I'm dead. I'm literally... I was doing surgery, bro. It's not very fucking nice.
I see him too.
Get shit on. Never mind. I can't... How do I just lose that?
Happening. Fuck you shooting at?
A player that I just fucking deleted.
Oh yeah, buddy. Where are you?
I'm on the stairs. I'm going down in a bunker. Where are you? I'm about to KOS,
outside.
so... Okay.
I jumped out a window. There's 2 dudes up.
I got one. I think there's 2.
Somebody's running up.
Even if I tried to explain it, I wouldn't. It's my first time playing.
Oh my god, there's 2 people in the bathroom, bro. I just
Are you
dropped
dead?
one. No, I just fucking slammed one of them, I think.
In that bathroom I was telling you about?
Yeah.
Yeah. There's 2 in there?
Yeah, dude, they're just fucking sitting in there, bro.
Are you? Did you go run back up to the 2nd floor?
Yeah. I think... Oh, well, I fucked one of them up. I don't know where the other one went. He might have ran down the stairs. I'm gonna peek it again.
I keep getting pushed into this guy.
Alright, well, I killed one of them. Oh my god, this guy's level 7, bro. What are you doing, bro? Ow! What the fuck was that? So that guy went down a bunker, I think. He's fucked up, too. I mag dumped him.
Damn it. Need to change that.
I'm dead. Oh my god, dude. Playing like such fucking retards, bro. Per fucking usual.
Where was he? It's a little sus that he
Hold on,
just
hold on.
fucking.
Be quiet for a second. I just killed him. Yeah. No, it wasn't, bro. What the fuck was this load at this guy? Oh, fuck?
It's a horror game out here, bro.
I'll stay back. I'll stay back. I'm gonna go up the 3rd.
I think that's where they are.
Oh, he's laying at the top of the stairs, facing the stairs, bro.
You're dead, bro? What the... Dude, you're... Really? You're just laying up there, bro? You freak? Yeah, throw that
He's
grenade,
laying,
dumb fuck.
laying at the top of the stairs, bro. Like, oh my.
Hold up, bro.
Did they?
I'm literally just ego pushing this kid. Yep, I just fucking shit in his mouth.
Dude, 1.7 fucking KD, bro.
Who killed you? The smoky guy or whatever?
Yeah, bro. He's shooting BT out of something. You can't make that shit up, dude. Like I
What?
even did the.
This guy just ate like 4 rounds of BP to his fucking face, bro.
I just watched it.
I got one.
Nice.
Wait, is he not dead? He's not. No way he's not dead. Yeah, chuck him in there. He's fucked up. How are you not dead, bro? Maybe, wait, is he? I'm so confused right now, bro.
I wish I could tell you, pal.
Oh, you aren't dead. What the fuck? How are you? What?
I don't know.
Where is he?
Oh my god, dude. I just absolutely fucking
just slam-fested that
I just
kid!
slammed him, bro. Dude, he is not moving, bro.
Well,
you gonna
there's
move,
there's the one by the ramp and there's one down the hall too.
I'm with the guy on the ramp.
Somebody just threw a nade at me. You're not coming out of ramp right now, are you?
No.
You said no, right?
No. I'll let you know when I'm coming back down.
Hey, I hear him on ramp right now.
I killed him.
Nice. There's one more down the hall, or
You
I
good
just
down
smoked one.
There? Alright, nice.
I got another one on me.
I'm fighting this guy up here still. I just killed another guy.
Can't even see in there.
There's a nerd in here. Yeah, let me get my test drive kills, bro, please.
I'm begging, bro.
When you're in that work with,
I just went here.
you gonna like retro open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like round. There's a high chance I killed him, but oh, I actually might have killed him. Oh my god, bro, I'm literally the GOAT, bro.
I need to get some insurance back. I've ran so many kids lately. Oh my god. Fucking low.
I just fucking slammed him. Oh, this guy's using a fucking mutant, bro.
He ran left to right towards the water.
I'm just gonna W key this guy.
Hey, I'm coming with you.
He's dead.
Nice.
Nice.
He's got a meta ass HK on him, it looks.
You need to regenerate stam, folks.
Back.
Going on.
I'm in Queen right now.
Chill.
Damn, bro, it sucks. I see him.
You see one down there? Yep. I'm gonna launch a nade.
Killed him. I don't know if there's 2 or not.
I'm going into the left right here.
Is Queen
I
the one right by K
Heard
buildings
some
or to the
funny
left of K
audio
building?
back here.
Can't remember which one it is.
What the fuck? What am I playing, bro? I'm not even kidding. This kid's just like was just fucking ratting.
Yeah, I dropped one of them in there. He got head
Alright.
tapped.
I'm gonna launch a nade. There was 2 of them. That's literally not a person. Oh, is that you running up?
No, I'm by the. Where is he?
He's over by the stairs. I just mag dumped him and like missed every single shot.
He's dead.
Nice. I'm not even trolling, bro. I mag dumped him. I think I just like traced his fucking head, bro.
That's crazy. I literally used 2 bullets for both of those guys. I
Some
hear
guy
another
just
more?
Yeah, some guy just tried pushing me. Just fucking slammed him.
Oh, let's go.
I need to pack a mag real quick.
I'm like 0 energy, 15 drink right now. My stomach blacked out again, bro. I'm gonna die.
An audio cue from this guy would be really sick. Like some sort of info. I have no idea where he is. Nice. I dismantled nothing, dude. This fucking mechanic is super good. I just fucking shit in his mouth.
Can you find me like some food and water by
Yeah.
chance?
Hold on, I'm gonna
Like
see what this guy has.
ASAP.
Hopefully this guy looted something.
Dude, why does my stomach keep black? Oh, it's because I have no energy. My stomach keep blacking out. I'm about to die.
Just keep healing.
Dude, did you just kill me,
dude,
bro?
is that you, dude?
Oh my god.
Well, you didn't even tell me
I
you were pulling up.
I
dude.
did. I literally said I'm running towards you.
Oh my god, man.
Oh.